In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a music player to Notion. If you're a fan of keeping all your tasks, notes, and inspiration in one place, Notion is probably your go-to tool. But did you know you can enhance your Notion workspace by adding a music player? This feature can help you stay in the zone with your favorite tunes while you work. Let's walk through the process. First off, choose the music you want to listen to from YouTube. You might start with a playlist or a single song you love. Open YouTube in your browser and navigate to the specific video or playlist. Look at the address bar at the top of the browser window. This is where you'll find the URL. You'll need to copy this link. To do that quickly, highlight the entire link and use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on a PC or Command+C on a Mac. This copies the link onto your clipboard. Now head over to your Notion page where you'd like this music player to appear. This could be your main workspace, perhaps a dedicated page you've created for your study sessions or anywhere else you see fit. Once you're on your chosen page, decide the location where the music player should sit. Click to activate the space and prepare to paste in your YouTube URL. In the empty area, type the /embed command. This prompts Notion to understand that you want to embed something from outside. After typing /embed, a prompt will appear. Here, paste the URL by using Ctrl+V on a PC or Command+V on a Mac. You should see the URL materialize as a link or an option to embed the content. Once pasted, you'll notice an option saying Create Embed. Click on this, and it magically turns the link into an embedded music or video player. This player will now sit neatly on your Notion page, ready for you to press play whenever you need musical inspiration or a background rhythm to boost your productivity. As you enjoy the music, remember you can adjust the size of the embedded player by clicking and dragging the edges to your preferred dimensions. This allows you to customize how it blends with the rest of your Notion workspace elements. To recap, embedding a music player in Notion involves just a few straightforward steps: copying the URL, embedding it, and then adjusting as needed to suit your aesthetics. This handy feature can enhance your workspace by bringing a little more joy and personalization into your daily routine. Thanks for joining me today on this quick guide to supercharging your Notion workspace with music. Until next time, keep those productivity vibes going strong with your new musical setup.